What's going on, diecast enthusiasts? How's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's doing very well. I'm doing very well. Thank you very much for asking. So what do we got here, man? This is the third video out of 3 cases. This is the last case, last unboxing Johnny Lightning video I'm doing for the White Lightning hunt. Let's see if there's one in the B case. And this might stand for bravo, like well done. We get a White Lightning. Who knows? I don't. Let's check this thing out. Let's break this thing open and let's see if we can score a White Lightning. Now, this is the Classic Gold Series of 2023. It's a couple years old, and that's not a problem. We have JLC G032-06B, which means to me that this is version B from version A, which we did yesterday. So I'm trying to figure out, I think it's the same cars, different colors, different version. Let's check this thing out. So we're going to break the tape right here. And for those of you that don't know what a White Lightning is, I did a video yesterday explaining what a White Lightning is. Wow, that was some tough tape, man. All right, so I think we got different cars. That's okay. You know what? It is what it is, and that's fine by me. We get something unique. We get something different. We get a lot of tissue paper, too. So, anyways, let's check this thing out. Ooh, this is nice. We have the 1963 Pontiac Tempest. This thing is so cool. I absolutely love it. Definitely like the paint job on it. We have a custom orange with tiger stripes. This is one of 2,908. That means it's not number one, but it's one of the 2,908 cars that were made. This is very sweet, very cool. I am definitely digging it, man. I love this paint job. I really do. And the fact that it is a real drag car, which is even better. We have Arnie Basek. Very cool car indeed. Metal base. Check this thing out. A lot of details right now. The wheels look pretty decent. Those fat tires back here. Very, very cool car indeed. I like it. I'm going to keep it. Moving on. Ooh, we got something nice. Oh, this is beautiful. Check this thing out. I'm digging the paint job. I am digging the paint job right now. That is baller. Look at this. We've got the Arbor Green Poly. This is a very nice color. I definitely like it. It is one of 3,172 cars that were made, and this is 1961 Chevy Impala SS 409. Beautiful car. Absolutely gorgeous. I love these old Impalas. I really do. This one I am definitely keeping. A very beautiful car. I do like the 60s cars. I really do. There's just something about them. Now, this is not a white interior. This looks to be like it's a little off tan. I'm more wowed by the color, to be honest with you. And the details and the taillights, the reverse light. Just very cool car indeed. I'm just loving it, man. And you know what? I'm not a big fan of chrome, but if there's any cars that need chrome, it is pre-1965. I like it. Very sweet car indeed. Very sweet. I like it. I am definitely keeping it. Beautiful car. Absolutely gorgeous. Work of art, to be honest with you. We have the 1969 Plymouth Barracuda in a nice, like burnt orange. Super cool color, tan interior. One of 2,932. Very awesome car. I love the artwork, by the way. I remember seeing the artwork in Hot Rodder magazine when I was a kid. It was very nice. And we have, for the color, it's Bronze Fire. We're going to talk a little bit more about this car. Now, this is one of those cars where it is just, it's very nice. And you know what? I definitely like the Barracudas. This may not be my favorite year Barracuda, but this car is a subtle muscle car. Very awesome. Very nice indeed. We've got a nice rear end. Now, we've got chrome wheels. Not a problem. Not a huge fan of chrome, by the way, but definitely not a problem, this thing. 2 hood scoops on this. Very nice. We have tan interior. And the color is just blowing me away, dude. I'm digging that color. And some people would say it's Shiny paint, but Shiny paint is reserved for Hot Wheels mainlines. But this is very Shiny paint. I love the Shiny paint. I do really love the paint. You know what? I'm going to nerd out on you guys for a little bit. I love colors like this. I like anything metallic, anything shiny, anything deep. Chameleon colors. Matte colors are okay. It really depends on the car. But when it comes down to colors like these, I lose my mind. Absolutely gorgeous. Johnny Lighting does a wonderful job painting these cars, and all the little details too. Very nice. Definitely like it. Gonna keep it. Moving on, we've got tissue paper. Get rid of that. We're not talking about tissue paper today. Check this thing out. Another golf car for my golf collection. 1965 Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe. Now this is one of 3,124. Don't ask me what's up with these odd numbers because I don't really know. Just what I do know, that the color is Golf Corporate Blue with white and orange stripes. And this thing is very nice indeed. Absolute gorgeous car, work of art. Check out those exhaust pipes, man. I kind of wish that they didn't paint the exhaust pipes white because it's really tough to tell. But very nice car indeed. Very, very unique, to be honest with you. Very rare. We have that spare tire right in there. Got black interior, the number 23. We have Goodyear tires, and we've got black wheels. Looks very awesome in black. Black wheels. Very cool car. Look at all the detail that's inside this. I mean, unbelievable. Very nice car indeed. We've got the metal base. Of course, would you expect anything less? I don't think so, buddy. Very awesome car, and we got some detail right there on the hood. Very, very nice. I'm definitely digging it. I love it. So, gonna keep it. Down to 2. What do we got? We have the 1954 Chevy Corvair concept, and this thing is actually pretty cool. Now, I know what a lot of people are saying. It's a Corvette, but it's a Corvair concept. This is 1 out of 2,500. We have a custom sky blue, and what I do like is the pastel colors of the 1950s. Those are another thing I like. This has got what appears to be a Corvette front. Look at this. We've got little hood scoops right there, little air intakes. We've got the white interior, white wall tires. Oh, I love the white wall tires. And it looks to be, now it would assume that it's a Corvette, but this would be a Corvair concept, and it's really too bad that this car did not make it to production. But very nice, very cool. I love the 1950s cars as well, and what I do like about 1950s is we gotta have a little bit of a fin or a huge fin. But also look at the shape of this car. Very nice, very awesome. We've got some very nice wheels on this thing. Unbelievable. Metal base. It's a very nice car. We got a lot of detail in the rear. Such a super cool, unique vehicle. Now, we've got one left. And you know what? I think this one might be a White Lightning, but I don't know. I got a funny feeling it's not, but let's check it out. So, what we got here most likely is not a White Lightning. Why? I assumed it would be, because the car is red in the picture, but the car is white. Now, that's deceiving, I know, but we also have the color right here, which matches the car. We have a metal base, black wheels, black interior. So, if you would consider the white paint as a trait, it is not, because this is the color of the car. We have custom white with black and orange. But let me tell you something. It may not be a White Lightning. So we struck out on 4 cases, technically 3 for the video. In the short, it was 1 case that came with the package that was opened to fit everything. Now, there wasn't a White Lightning in the one that was opened already inside the package, so I unboxed the 3 sealed cases for you guys. And we struck out, and you know what? That's okay, man. The hunt will continue. Anyways, let's talk about this 2005 Ford GT. Like I said, it is one of 3,004. This is a very nice car, and I love the fact that Ford decided to revamp this thing in 2005, or whenever they actually remodeled the GT. but this is a very nice car indeed. Very sporty, very, very classic. It kept to the tradition of the Ford GT. Absolutely beautiful car. So much detail in this, and it looks really, really good. We can see the engine back there. Very nice indeed. Unbelievable. Very nice car. The American flag, the Ford GT, number 4. These black wheels definitely set it off for me. I am a sucker for black wheels. Very nice car indeed. I like it. I'm going to keep it. Ladies and gentlemen, that is all the time I have for you today. Please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to share. I'll know. That being said, I'm going to go. Collect what you like, and if you're not having fun, you're doing it wrong, man. So do it right at the time of your life. Later, taters.